Hey everyone! Today I'm showing you how to use AI to manage your Bitly links. If you're already using ChatGPT, Claude, or Copilot for your daily work, you can now handle your link management right there too. Bitly integrates directly with these AI assistants so that you can create short links, generate QR codes, and check analytics without switching tools. I'll show you how this works in ChatGPT, but the same prompts work in Claude and Copilot too. Let's get started. First, search for Bitly in the GPT store or in your AI assistant's integration directory. And then start a chat. Say you're launching a winter sale campaign and you need 5 branded links across social media, email, and print, all properly organized with titles and tags. Here, I'm going to create all 5 links for my channels in one prompt. And if this is your first time using the integration, you'll have to sign in and authenticate using your Bitly account. You can also ask ChatGPT to title the links so that you can find them more easily in Bitly. For better organization, you can even tag the links with your campaign name. And just like that, in less than a minute, I've got all 5 properly structured short links on our custom domain. Pretty cool, right? Whether you need 5 or 25 short links, you can use this method. Quick tip, it's always smart to double check in your Bitly account to make sure that everything looks right and it's working properly. And once you've got a prompt that works well for you, save it as a template and reuse next time. All right, now I need a QR code for the print link that we just created. Because we're in a conversation, ChatGPT remembers what we just did. I don't need to repeat everything. And look at that! ChatGPT gives me a link where I can view and download the QR code in Bitly. Okay, so your campaign has been running for a week and you want to see how it's going. Let me show you how you can check your performance. Without logging into dashboards, you can track your links at a glance right here in your AI assistant. But we can go deeper by asking follow-up questions. Let me ask ChatGPT to analyze the data. Now this is where it gets powerful. I'm not just getting numbers. I can see what's working and get a visual that I can use right away. Need to export the data as a report? Just ask. And that's it. Short links, QR codes, and analytics, all through conversation in your AI assistant. And if you're creating dozens of links, that's an hour of traditional work compressed into just a few minutes. Ready to try it yourself? Click the link in the description to connect Bitly to ChatGPT, Claude, or Copilot. And if this helped you out, like the video and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.